SHIB community members and countdown clock hint Shibarium launch is imminent. According to a myriad of social media posts, the meme crypto project SHIBAINU is planning to launch the highly anticipated Shibarium, a Layer 2, L2, project that was supposed to launch this year in the third quarter. SHIBAINU supporters believe the Shibarium launch is imminent as a number of community members have been sharing animated images of countdown clocks on social media. Meme token project SHIBAINU hints at launching L2 scaling application Shibarium. On December 19, 2022, the meme token SHIBAINU, SHIB, increased by roughly 2.3% against the US dollar amid a great number of rumors that say the Layer 2, L2, project Shibarium is on its way. Bitcoin.com news reported on the L2 project Shibarium on June 24, 2022, as it was reportedly set to launch by the third quarter. At that time, it was said that the developers behind the SHIB-centric L2 scaling project launched Shibarium in a private setting during the alpha testnet phase. The developers noted that the hardest part of the software development was the wallet application, but besides that, the results were successful. Then on December 15, the SHIBAINU team member and Discord admin called ShibaKraken tweeted an image of an animated clock. Another community member, SHIB Trophies, also tweeted a different animated image of a clock countdown on the same day. It is suspected that these teases are hinting about the launch of the L2 project Shibarium. Can't wait for what happens when the clock stops ticking, one SHIB fan wrote in response to SHIB Trophies' tweet. The speculation has caused a flurry of social media accounts discussing the probability that Shibarium will launch soon. A SHIB proponent dubbed Classy said, "The big day for SHIB is tomorrow. Many are speculating Shibarium could be coming. This would be massive. We've been waiting for, what, seems like forever." On December 17, SHIB Trophies updated the community with a tweet and stated,